This is the SCP Foundation interrupting this broadcast to issue a threat-level Appollyon announcement. This message will be effective immediately and will be for the foreseeable future. The government has given clearance to the SCP Foundation to issue this alert. The Foundation is dedicated to protecting the public. At this time, citizens will be advised to lock all doors and to not go outside. Anything resembling feminine and feline male shall not be greeted into your household. If a feminine feline male is breaking into your home, please do not hesitate to contact the Foundation through the emergency hotline, 911. Please do not be alarmed if Russian Spetsnaz is sent onto the affected territory. If forces attacking the feminine feline male occur, do not be alarmed. Stay put and do not be seduced by the entity. Repeat.